Hello students, welcome to Mahila Samaja digital classes. In today's class, I'll be teaching social science. In that, the part is sociology. Chapter 1, Part 2, Introduction to Sociology. In the last class, we have studied about the origin, meaning, nature, scope, and importance of sociology. And we have also studied about the relationship between sociology and other social sciences. In today's class, you learn about the early Western sociologists, that is, Auguste Comte, Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim, and Max Weber. First, let us know about Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte is an important French philosopher, and he is the first social philosopher. Philosopher in the sense he was the first social thinker or scholar, and he is also called as the father of sociology. Here Auguste Comte, he is called as the father of sociology. He studied society scientifically, means systematically. He studied about the society technically or systematically, and he also provided the status of science for sociology. And this effort, this important effort of Auguste Comte, it was strongly supported by, this support was strongly supported by, this effort of Auguste Comte was strongly supported by Herbert Spencer, Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, and also others. Comte used the word sociology for the first time while while conveying a public lecture on positive philosophy, means positive ideologies. While he was giving a public lecture about positive philosophy, he used the word sociology for the first time. And his full name is Isidore Marie Auguste Francois Xavier Comte. Okay, his full name is Isidore Marie Auguste Francois Xavier Comte, and he is generally known as Auguste Comte. He was born in Montpellier of southern France on January 19th, 1798 in a Catholic family. And he also completed his studies in Imperial School, Imperial in the sense Royal School. And he later taught at École Polytechnique College. His major contributions or means his important works or his important writings or positive philosophy, okay, and it was established in the year 1839, and positive polity in the year 1851, human religion in the year 1857. These were the important major contributions of Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte, who wrote many other important books on sociology, he also wrote many important books about sociology, and he died on September 5th in the year 1857. He died at the age of 59 years. This is all about Auguste Comte. Now let's move on to the next, that is about Karl Marx. Karl Marx is important social thinker of world repute of 19th century CE. He was a political revolutionary, clever organizer, and a sensitive writer. Okay, he was a political revolutionary, means Krantikari in Kannada, and he was also a clever organizer, means bringing orders, making orders, creative orders, and a sensitive writer. And he here Karl Marx, he is an important social thinker of world repute, world honor, means it was in 19th century. Okay, he was a famous social thinker, and he was also a very sensitive writer, and he was a clever organizer too. Karl Marx is called as the founder of class struggle theory. Class struggle theory ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಗ ಹೋರಾಟದ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಅಂತ. Okay, he was the founder of the class struggle theory, and his thoughts on working class and laborers led to a new direction in labor struggle. Marx was born on May 5th in the year 1818 in Trier of Germany. His birthplace is Trier. It was in Germany. And he was born in Heinrich Marx. He was born, means Karl Marx was born to Heinrich Marx and Henrietta Pressburg, means his parents were Heinrich Marx and Henrietta Pressburg, and his wife was Jenny von Westphalen. Okay, his wife name was Jenny von Westphalen. Hegel, a German philosopher, was his favorite teacher. Here, Karl Marx's favorite teacher was Hegel. And he received a PhD in the year 1841 and started his career in law. Okay, he received, means he completed his PhD, and he has been received his PhD in the year 1841, and he also started his career in law, in the field of law. And his major contributions, means his important works are 1865, means here das capital, it means economic theories, the Holy Family and the German ideology in the year 1845, and the Manifesto of the Communist Party. Manifesto means declaration of policy and aims. Okay, it was established in the year 1848, and others. Okay, these were his, means Karl Marx major important contributions. Karl Marx died on March 14th. Okay, he died on March 14th in the year 1883. Even after a century of his death, theories advocated, means theories which has been recommended by Marx, have remained relevant. Relevant means applicable. Even after his death also, his important is theories. Okay, means Karl Marx theories, they have remained applicable even now, means they are relevant, they have been remained relevant even now. Next, let's move on to the uh, next sociologist is Emily Durkheim. Emily Durkheim is the important sociologist of 19th century. Okay, he was from France, and he also proved that sociology is at par, means it is equally balanced with any other science with his scientific writings. Okay, he was also a famous, means important sociologist of 19th century, and he was from France. Okay, here Emily Durkheim, he also proved that sociology, it is equally balanced. Okay, it is equally balanced with any other science with his important scientific writings. while Auguste Comte is called as the father of sociology. Okay, who's father of sociology? Auguste Comte. Okay, and here Durkheim, he is also called as the father of the development of sociology. Here Auguste Comte he is called as the father of sociology, but here Emily Durkheim, he is called as the father of the development. Okay, development of the sociology. Durkheim was born at Epinal. Okay, he was born at Epinal of Lorraine. Lorraine. Okay, means it is a place. Okay, Epinal of Lorraine, region of France, on April 15th, 1858. Okay, he was born in the year April 15th, 1858. It was his birth date. He belongs to Jewish family. Okay, Jewish means in Kannada Yahudi. Okay, he belongs to Jewish family, and he also completed his studies at Ecole Normale Superior and started his career as professor. Okay, he completed his studies at Ecole Normale Superior, and he also started his career as professor. His major contributions, means the major contributions of Durkheim is the division of labor. Okay, the division of labor in society. It was in the year 9, it was established in the year 1893. Next, suicide in the year 1897. Next, the rules of sociological method in the year 1895. The elementary reforms of religious life in the year 1912 and others. All these were the major contributions of Emily Durkheim. He died at the age of 52. Okay, he died at the age of 52, means it was on 15th November 1917. Okay, this is about Emily Durkheim. Okay, here Auguste Comte, he is called as the father of sociology, and Emily Durkheim, he is called as the father of the development of sociology. It is very important, you should keep this in your mind. Okay, father of sociology is Auguste Comte, father of the development of sociology is Emily Durkheim. Okay, this is about Emily Durkheim. Now let's move on to the next early sociologist, that is Max Weber. Max Weber is an unforgettable personality in the field of social sciences. Okay, here he is also recognized as the important social he is sociologist. Okay, and he was one of the most prominent writers. Okay, he is also recognized as the Max Weber is also recognized as the most important writers, and he was also a famous politician of Germany. Okay, Germany. And Max Weber had he was having very much interest in law, economics, religion, art, history, and sociology. He was much interested in these subjects, means like law, economics, religion, art, history, and sociology. He was born at Erfurt in West Germany on April 21st, 1864, in a Protestant family. He was born in a Protestant family, and his birth date was April 21st, 1864, and his birthplace was Erfurt in West Germany. He was born in West Germany. Max Weber also joined Heidelberg University of Germany by the age 18 years, and he has also earned his PhD. PhD means Doctor of Philosophy. Okay, he has been earned his PhD in law. Okay, Max Weber, he has earned his PhD in law, means he has received his PhD in law. And he also started his teaching career at Berlin University. Okay, he started his teaching career in which university? It is in Berlin University. And he died at the age of 56, means he died at 14th, means 14th June in the year 1920. And his major contributions, means his important contributions were the Protestant ethics means morals. Okay, the Protestant ethics and the spirit of capitalism. It was established in the year 1904. And the city, the economy, and the society, and others. All these were as important contributions, means writings. This is about Max Weber. Dear children, in today's class we have learnt about the early sociologists. Okay, and that is Auguste Comte, Karl Marx, and Emily Durkheim, and about Max Weber. And we have also known about their major contributions. Okay, means contributions in the sense their famous works. Okay, their famous works or writings. I hope you people have understood all the aspects of this part. Okay, and in the next class I will be continuing this chapter, and the topic will be the prominent Indian sociologists. In today's class we have learnt about the early sociologists. In the next class let us learn about the prominent Indian sociologists. Now let's move on to your home assignment. Answer the following questions. That first question is, name the important early sociologists. Okay, you should mention the names of the important early sociologists. And next question is, what books were written by Karl Marx? Means you should write the important contributions about the Karl Marx. Next, who is called as the father of the development of sociology? Okay, the father, who is called as the father of development of sociology. And next is, who is the father of sociology? Okay, understand the chapter and then you should write the homework. Go through the video, understand the lesson, and then you should write your homework. Thank you children. Have a nice day.